In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on Zillow 2026 guide. Keeping your phone number current on Zillow helps clients and leads reach you without friction. So let's walk through the exact process from start to finish. We'll do this on a desktop browser for the smoothest experience, but the flow is similar on most devices. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Zillow.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Zillow account before you begin. If you see a sign-in button, click it and log in, then return to the homepage. Next, move your cursor to the top menu and hover over the Agent Hub. Don't click yet, just hover until the pop-up menu appears. This reveals the tools you'll need in your professional dashboard. From that pop-up, click Profile. This takes you to your professional profile page where your public information is displayed. On the right side of this page, you'll see an Edit button. Click that. A menu will appear. Choose the profile option. This unlocks your account details so you can make updates. If a pop-up blocker is active, temporarily allow the site so the edit window can open properly. Now scroll down the page until you find the Contact Info section. This is where your primary phone number lives. On the right side of your primary phone number, click Edit Contact Info. In the primary phone text box, highlight and remove the old number, then type in your new phone number. Include your full area code and double check for any typos. This primary phone is what prospects and partners are most likely to see, so make sure it's the best number for incoming calls and texts. If you use a dedicated business line, enter that here to keep your communication consistent. Once your new number looks correct, click the Save button within the pop-up window. Give it a few seconds to process. After the update completes, you should see your new phone number reflected right in the field. If it doesn't appear immediately, wait a moment or refresh the page to see the change. That's all it takes. Your profile now displays the updated number, and that information will carry through to your Zillow presence, where your primary contact details are shown. A quick recap: go to Zillow.com and sign in, hover over Agent Hub, select Profile, click Edit, choose Profile, find Contact Info, edit your primary phone, and save. Keeping this up to date helps ensure you never miss a timely lead, and that is all for today. Keeping your contact details current is a simple but essential step in staying connected within the real estate market. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.